What? Good morning, everyone. As you can see, we just woke up. It's around 9 in the morning, and we'll be leaving to the. Oh.
Yeah, like today is good. Cloud of snow. We are having chai here.
ഉയരം കൂടുന്തോറും ചായയുടെ സ്വാദം കൂടും.
Order me.
കണ്ണൻ ദേവൻ.
Kannan.
See, my foot is sinking underneath the snow, and
Yeah, India.
India.
Today's weather is like 100% raining, man. It's
Raining, it's snowing, brother.
it's snowing.
Have you got to say anything about today?
Nothing.
We've left for Bukovel, and this is what it looks like. Boys.
Hello, boys. Manigas. Damn.
This is Ashish.
Damn.
Hey.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. As you can see, on your left side, we have the left side of Bukovel. On your right side, we have the right side of Bukovel.
We have found a new member of Pyat Pyat Odi. This is Wolf Parker. He's the cutest dog I've seen here at Ukraine. He's very chill with everything, and he's chill with me. I'm chill with him. Brother, no worries. I'll take care of you. You're coming with me to Kyiv. You're coming to Pyat Pyat Odi. Do you understand that? Chill. Say hi, Wolf. Come on, man. You're the first dog I've been this close with. I've never been close with dogs. You have my back all the time. Look at him.
Was is now you are Kashmir?
Kashmir?
Yeah.
This is Ashish.
It's
freezing cold outside. It's like -10, I guess, right?
Yeah.
It seems like there's heavy snow outside, and we've almost reached our destination.
Do you know?
आशीष क्या हुआ यार?
Ashish suicide was Yeah, this is Ashish.
I've reached the first destination. What is that? For this,
Please.
the house.
Halala. Halala.
Bro, have you got anything to say about today?
You suck. I see we have something. What is this?
Yes. This is to check your little man.
Little man? Oh my
Yes.
God.
You know what
wait.
I mean?
You mean dick size?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay. So, this is
Little man.
yes.
Like you. Okay.
Like you.
Uh,
Okay.
indeed,
And this is
Shy.
Shy.
Oh yeah, this is Ashish.
Ashish.
And just another day.
This is
Euro
standard.
standard. Maybe.
Maybe. And this is a Cossack.
Cossack. Maybe.
maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Liar.
Liar.
Yes, it is. There we are.
What? Yeah, I know you're talking about the shit. Man.
So, we've reached our destination, and we're planning on having some food. And the boys are very excited with. This is Ashish.
Роман, сколько? Я не знаю, что за
गए हम लोग पता नहीं बर्फ के बीचों बीच में है रेस्टोरेंट बोल के लेके जा रहा है पता नहीं कहाँ लेके जा रहा है यार क्या यार उत्कर्ष तू भी यार फालतू बातें मत कर बता रहा हूँ मैं क्या है पहले तो गलत लोकेशन डाल दिया गलत जगह पर आ गए वहाँ पर ना रेस्टोरेंट है ना कुछ है पूरे पहाड़ी के बीच में ये हमारा साविस
अभी हम जाएंगे
कहाँ जाएंगे? Давай, слава Украине! Давай! Namaste. Bye bye. We're planning on renting a ski and then getting to the mountain and skiing down from there. Seems like a plan.
The mountain, there is one gupka shop.
So before that, we plan on having some food. This is Ashish. Today is a sunny day. सनी भाई, आपको क्या बोलना है इस ट्रिप के बारे में? मज़ा आ रहा है? भूख लगी है बहुत भूख लग लिया।
इस ट्रिप के बारे में 2 शब्द है, सिंपल एंड लग्जरियस।
आपको कुछ कहना है?
हम बीमार आदमी हैं।
As I was walking through the shop, I found something really interesting here.
Kachapuri with cheese.
And yes, Aryan found his black banana.
What is this?
Our boys were a little too hungry. 2 were left behind, so I came here to get them. And I found them here eating sandwiches. And the other boys are there in a restaurant which is quite too expensive.
You can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing shitty things.
It seems like we have reached our destination and the boys were quite hungry, so we planned on having a stay at the restaurant. So this is what the view looks like. And also to mention, within few minutes, maybe within half an hour or an hour, you'd see us on top of the mountain.
Over there. Exactly.
आज भाई जोश कम क्यों है?
ब्रो, क्योंकि थोड़ा थके हुए हैं, सबकी तबीयत खराब भी हो रही है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा अपनी एनर्जी को कम कर दिया। अदरवाइज पता है ना,
ये तो
हमारे लिए
गलत बात है
दिक्कत हो सकती है।
फिर तो
गलत
vlog
बात
इसी
नहीं
में
होगी। अब अभी थोड़ी देर बाद में खाने पीने के बाद मैं अपन मजे करेंगे, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर घूमने जाएंगे। तेरे को पता है।
तेरे बाल के साथ क्या कर रहा है? This is Ashish. ये हमारे बॉयज खाना खाते हुए बड़े चाव से खा रहे हैं, मज़े से खा रहे हैं। आपको कुछ What is this? पत्ते गाय है क्या भाई तू?
This is an apple a day keeps a doctor away.
You are a doctor. Or you can keep yourself away.
This is Ashish.
Oh, hello.
Dude, I'm sick. What can I say? But still, I'm trying to enjoy.
और आपको क्या कहना है? Brother, what do you have to say about this place? मुट्टल मारते हैं यहाँ पर। फेंक नीचे फेंक।
मैं जा रहा था,
एक जाएगा। 1 2 3। This is Ashish. I don't know what really this lake is called. Don't really know. Well, within some time we'll be climbing the hill, and this is Ashish. What have you got to say about the peacock in Ukraine?
Peacock.
It's like
Smaller than my car.
amazing.
Beautiful. It isn't. It is beautiful. That's it. Oh my God! It's going to be a bit of adventure.
Pulling down her pants, yanking off my own. Underneath the mistletoe, I'll make your sister moan. Oh, Heather's odd, we'll go all the way. I wish I could see her naked. I wish I could see her naked. I wish I could see her naked and down on all fours.
Brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, uncles and aunts, watch this man. Thank you, brother. Oh my God, that's a gigantic church. Sorry, chair. Do you want to see something which resembles you? This is Ashish. Shave.
Dearly beloved, we be gathered here today with a dearly
Walking into the forest. This is what it looks like. भाई साहब पेड़ हिला रहे हो, पेड़ हिलाओ. क्यों हिला रहे हो? बस काफी है भाई.
This is Ashish.
No, I'm dead.
Well, welcome to Bukovel. बड़ा हिला जवा व्यू आ रहा है यहाँ से. पता नहीं क्या ही करे, हम कहीं जा तो रहे हैं, बट पीक पे पहुंचने में अभी बहुत वक्त है.
It's a very
सेक्रेट प्लेस, पवित्र
poetry.
पवित्र रिश्ता, पवित्र रिश्ता.
The beauty, brother.
Wow.
Let's take you to the heaven.
Yeah, it's a suggestion. Don't make any girlfriend. Just
This is where me and the boys would sit at night, and we'd barbecue, we'd sit around the bonfire, have fun.
we'll have dinner
Chill.
tonight here.
दाल बनाएंगे आज इसमें दाल बना के.
No, barbecue.
barbecue भाई दाल बनाते हैं ना, इसमें तड़का दे देंगे.
हाँ, yeah.
जीरा,
बिल्कुल.
ऑयल और क्या डालना है तड़के में?
तड़के में और क्या डालेंगे? करी लिप्स डालेंगे.
थोड़ा स्नो डाल दे तो थोड़ा बुकोवेल का फील आ जाए.
नहीं, वाटर नहीं डालेंगे. वाटर के जगह
स्नो डाल देंगे. हाँ, ये बात सही कही
सही है
तुमने.
ना?
It's quite too cold, guys. It's over -10 degrees right now. Yeah, ये है हमारे दो boys बिल्कुल वाइब में. वो क्या है ये? This is Ashish. देख रहे हो?
आजा थोड़ी देर अपने आप को गर्म कर दो.
हमारे boys
हाँ.
आग में हाथ सेकते हुए. ओह, आशीष.
Here we have another thing to say.
Here we are going on top of the park, exactly on top of this entire hill. Will end.
In heaven there is no end. So guys, what our boys did, I will show you. They are making.
Ashish. This is the last piece for today. Ashish का नाक. भाई नाक नहीं रुक रहा यार इसका. Look at my hands. It's freezing cold.
But finally बन गया.
शो दिखा.
हट. इसको अकेला लेने देना.
Ashish.
Mahmood.
That is Ashish. This is Ashish. This is Ashish. Utkarsh with Ashish.
आशीष. अबे कितना बनाएगा?
आर्यन और ब्लॉग के साथ ये क्या कर रहा है उत्कर्ष? आशीष फिर से एक मार दे. आशीष को मार दे. आशीष को मार.
नहीं, आशीष को नहीं मार रहा है. भाई बना रहा है.
आशीष को मार दे भाई.
खोजा लड़की कहाँ है बे? आजा ऊपर लंड के टोपे. उठ जा बोल ले.
भाई बता भाई, तेरे दुख भरी कहानी बता दे भाई.
कोई नहीं.
तेरे को क्या हुआ यार? आशीष पूरा बर्फ में जम गया यार. नहीं
मत रो भाई.
सुनना हो गया बे.
तेरे को क्या चाहिए बता.
ब्रो टेक वन फोटो जस्ट.
ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? रुक यार, बहुत बर्फ है. हाँ बता.
हाँ, hey Siddiq, this is the gift for both of you, Aryan and you, for making this cannon and what you made. Ashish, just I want to gift you.
Let's get a picture, guys. Let's get a picture.
पकड़ के. Okay. तू जानबूझ के बकचोदी कर रहा है कि हाथ ठंडे लगे.
This is called. Show me the first.
So we have two pens. This is for men and this is for female. So we take into the female. As you can see, there's nothing. It's like grow a dick, right? I mean, no feminist bullshit, but okay. So, but if you take the manly one, we have the pachuk, 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 pachuk. You see, most people go on swings, but people like me, I am on the largest swing in the entire country of Ukraine. Not too basic for you, bitch. Yep. And life is good, I have to say. It's like you can take a swing at anything and you'll end up as a winner.
Exactly. Okay, what if the largest swing in this country?
Do not swing.
Do not swing. लिखा है.
Do not swing? Oh my god. Look at this boy here. Come on, brother, bring it in. Davai. Gone. Kundigiri, Shaddigiri. Gone. It's it. That's it. Here we entered the gate of heaven.
We were
So-
not aware about this.
Do you want to see what it looks like from inside? Obviously, yes. So where are we walking? Which direction are we heading? There's a frozen pond here. Plan on heading back to the vlog in which we are exploring the place, but unfortunately we found where the remaining boys are. They are inside the restaurant right over there,
And they didn't let us know.
and they didn't let us
It
know.
hurts.
Exactly, it hurts.
It hurts when people eat and they don't share.
Our boy Sonu has found something really beautiful content. He's been screaming my name all the way across the country. So here we come with the view. What did you find, brother?
Well,
oh my god.
Look at this.
Bro.
I give you
Bro.
paradise.
Bro. Don't do that. Don't, we need to take pictures. Don't do that. भाई ये खराब कर दिया, क्या लौड़ा है? As you can see, this is a very beautiful location we're in right now. It's a dining table covered with snow falling from the top, with Christmas trees, and our boys clicking pictures. Okay, it seems like. Yeah. So this is the place. This is our restaurant, and guess what? The boys are vibing inside to some classical music. This is Ashish. Few of our boys are downstairs. Meanwhile, this is us here.
Hi.
What would you like to have for today?
I want to grilled chicken.
आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे सफर पर. Hello Ashish. So we reached a historical point right now, and Zifin knows majority of the things about this egg. Chavez, what do you have to tell about this egg? You wanted to break this egg, right?
Break this egg and we'll run.
And what would happen if we break this egg?
Historically speaking, as I know a lot about eggs,
They won't be able to catch me now. Come on,
This-
let's break this. Come on.
is known as the Mansur Shuataha.
Ata moja dobre, dusha dobre.
There has been 4 of these in the history, and 3 are broken.
Yeah?
And all 3 that were broken
Bro,
by
don't make shit
died
on your own.
at the same time. Simultaneous, instantaneous death.
And this is the only one which is
And
left
this
right
is
now.
the one that's remaining, and this will be the 4th death.
Chavez.
अच्छा लड़ रहे हैं बच्चे.
Bro, I'll show you moonwalk. This is Ashish.
What is this?
No, not moonwalk.
Oh, you're walking backwards.
Oh shit, man.
Sorry. Really sorry to disappoint you.
It's minus 20 right now. It's a bit too cold, but manageable. not windy at all. And this is where me and the boys would be sitting right now.
प्यार से कुछ भी हो सकता है.
So this is our next location for today. Here we are in our room checking the photos which we took for today.
Siddiq, listen. You see the photo I took for Utkalish? Look, beautiful. Okay, take this beautiful lighting. See the exposure, everything is perfect. You wanna see what you took for me? This.
Let's move. Brother. What do you have to say about the vibe?
The vibe is ridiculous.
Sunny boy!
Hey!